about Roddy.
Not me.
Yes. I wrote to my brother for Charles to Venice. I told him Roddy was growing a man now, but thinking since Charles has no wife or child of his own, he might be disposed to help him.
We need none of his help, Mary. Roddy has his sea custom kit. He needs none of
But Charles has power and influence in London. He could make Roddy known to all the great people. Let me read you the letter. Here's his letter. In answer to your letter, let me assure you I am by no means wanting in those finer feelings which are the chief adornments of humanity. I am most interested in what you tell me of my nephew Rodney, and as I shall be visiting the Prince at Brighton next week, I shall break my journey at Friar's Oak for the purpose of seeing you both. At the present moment I lie abed, having stayed late at the Marchioness of Dover's ball last night, and this is read to my dictation by Ambrose, my grandmother. I am ever, dear Sister Mary, your brother, Charles Jones. Anson, what is it about?
I think it's the letter of a fox. And we can very